Hello everyone, I'm Yossi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and I'm excited for today's Odoo's Tips and Tricks. This week, we are going to cover some of the reasons why now is the best time to invest in your future with the Odoo Partnership Program. It's no secret that the world has dramatically changed in the last few months. COVID-19 has presented several challenges to how we do business, but it also has presented many opportunities. For today's topic, we are going to explore 4 main reasons why a partnership with Odoo is a beneficial enterprise to consider right now. Number 1, integrated business software is now for everyone, not just for large companies or manufacturers. We live in the age of data and complete traceability, and having an end-to-end solution is the way most companies will be managing their business functions. Companies are seeing the value of an all-in-one solution, and with Odoo's affordable price tag, this adoption is only going to accelerate in the small to medium-sized business world quickly. Number 2, working from home is the new normal, and having complete visibility is critical. Having a cloud-based all-in-one solution allows businesses to cut the physical ties that bind people together and connect them virtually with smart business software that offers end-to-end visibility and traceability between sales, finance, inventory management, marketing, and more. Number 3, the cloud is here to stay, and businesses are quickly looking for options to adopt this rising business solution. In fact, according to a Xerox study, 80% of companies want to create paperless processes and workflows. Also, nearly 70% of enterprise organizations are currently migrating data for enterprise resource planning, ERP applications, to the cloud. This is according to a report from the Cloud Security Alliance. This is quickly trickling down to mid-market and small businesses as well. Number 4, ERPs are the best solution in this rapidly changing landscape. Almost 90% of those surveyed from the Cloud Security Alliance said that integrated business software applications are business critical, leading to many migration challenges and concerns. Now, this new landscape is going to require implementation professionals across the country and the world to help with these initiatives, and Odoo is the best solution due to its flexibility and friendly ease of use. Now more than ever, companies are seeing the value of integrated business software. More and more light bulbs are turning on around the world to adopting an all-in-one solution like Odoo. It's really a no-brainer that this is the way things are moving, so aligning yourself with a rapidly growing modular business software company is truly a recipe not only for your success, but also for your potential customers. Invest in yourself. Invest in the future. Join us in this revolution. I encourage you to touch base with us directly or with one of our passionate partnership managers to better understand how implementing Odoo is a recipe for continued success. Thank you very much for your time today, and be sure to tune in next time. Don't forget to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there, and Odoo it all.